Let's create. So I'm going to prepare a mojo de ajo. And it's kind of a dip, a garlic dip. You know, this is what it's called, mojo de ajo in Puerto Rico, mojito. So I have about 7 or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which are going to melt, okay? Going to let it melt first. I have several teeth of garlic minced, 6, 7, maybe 8 teeth, maybe a little bit more, it's up to you. Reduce the heat to a notches. It was a couple notches above medium. Just reduce a couple notches below, because I'm going to prepare this for a dip for some fish I'm cooking today. You can use it for tostones or fried plantains. So what I do is the excess, I put in a little container, the excess. And the excess meaning what I'm not eating. And I put in the refrigerator. And it become a paste. And then when doing sauces, beans, whatever, soup, I just use it as a paste. Now I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. Let me reduce the heat a little bit more. Medium low, medium low. Adding some more liquid to it. You can put a little bit of thyme if you want to give it a flavor, or a tiny bit of dry oregano, which I'm going to do now. Not a lot, because you don't want it burn. Just a little bit. This is not going to take a long time, by the way. If you want to, you can put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Or you could have used more butter if you wanted more, okay? 3 more tablespoons of butter. Few drops of extra virgin olive oil. And that creates more dip, more mojo. It doesn't take more than 4 minutes, maybe 5, if that. You don't want the garlic burn, that's important. So once it's like that, you're going to take it out and transfer. So I have a glass container. Transfer things here. Oops. And I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil and put it in the refrigerator, okay? So it becomes a nice paste. Very clean, very nice. If you want to move some of the foam, you can do that. See how nice? It's a nice mojo. You can use this to eat right now. But I'm going to cover it to make a paste, okay?